Senior kasa bebre. Aye. Say Shatta ne bu ensensem yi no. Bu yobi a woni ni hia. Na wo be hu sede na komate. Na wo be hu ne do a wodo ne hodwo ne ade. Ba se woni ni hia ya na bia o TV so ne radio so a ebia bu de wonte na se da. Aha o yobi a odonipa on say asemu yi ba yi no mame ubisa bu na nkasa na ubisa no asem ne sade o kan yi nyina ba ya bedu yi nyina ne say ode ya che no what you say quotation bi o Luke 17 verse 3 to 4 Bible say yenhwe ye ho yie da se wonua fom wa da se wonua eje ne mfom so ne tom na oba won chi an o ka se fa cheme a Bible say fa wonua bo ne che no ana bu so say ode a che no say missing what is the major problem? What is the major problem about I don't understand. Yes, because bu an kasa no te wono. Paso what ya che.
Oh, some kasa on fanche.
What you say? Yet ya kasa ya ko back ya. Ya be back ya.
Yeah, back in vocal.
Now, thank you. Because me say bu you obi a. Said ya maka no. Me say ade say woni bu enhia da.
But woni ni hia.
Woni ni hia. And now bon said ya wodo ni pafa. I wo bu ni pafa. It was what ya che no. On say Shatta nso ye obi a on ewiaso obi a won ne nso obi o wiase bi a won ne nso Shatta nso ye obi a owo the negative side and owo the positive side.
Okay.
Na ono so ye obi a oye good nipa bebre na ewiase obi a won so ye good no ade a ya na good for no so ebi won wachi pa e ye won akoma abotre friend abotre won say da ndi bi wudi 20 gina wa emu 2-3 pen wa abotre etu be say Shatta yobi a wo betumi akeka na dwen aye ne ma bebre wo hu wa pen wa say abu nkotodwe wo hu wa pen wa say da fom what am I saying eti ma me de me kan say osuru twedi ampon nyankoropon a wo boy no se sofu Kumchacha me ye bone that's onyame de chame ya that's yenso ye bone na onyankopon de che ya 1 John 1:8 se ye ka se ye bone ane ye dada ye wona no kure ni yemo ye ka ye bone chere twedi ampo onyame a oye no kwafo ani wotre ni so de ye bone be cheyen eti bu se wo de ya che na enini mu wo se questions na wo toma no wo se enini mu wo hu ni kuro obechia no wo na so ati ase e
oboa
ha na boa
me pa chokasa
dabi eti no mame so obi kasa bibi ni mimu a bu ebetumi aka o dabi we dia menye ntom but also obi sa no one difficult
dabi also and he was so calm.
Yes, so all say test bi o Bible mu me pese Matthew 5:23 was say if you are solid dem kora was say wo koba afode a eno kora de ya asofo ye ntan nyusu was wo koba afode ye kora na wo kai se wo asem bi tie wo nua na wo ni wo nua bi wo problem a na wo ni wo nua bi ewo asem a ya afode body kora jai da ko na woni woni ya nko kemum ansa no wa ba do boss afode ye no ba he ode say quotation dey asofo mfa nyi adwuma because odi ye adwuma ofre no e be ye eti no onyankopon won mame
na no ni Bible bu na mo fa nyi adwuma
na wo catch
Bible no dey e mo de rom dey ye adwuma
asofo no nyina mfa nyi adwuma say obi ni obi
na wo dey ye adwuma
be dey am dey ye adwuma so me ala me kafa ma se mame me dey ye adwuma eto ma yenkwa ekire bebre won say osomafo Paul say me ma me wura fidi e twam obia ma wura fidie atwam na preko wanim Shatta na so wo ho no ya woni ama bebre wo ho no mo a nipa wunyi ade ya chi nyina no ese usua ne ama bebre e wo ni ama bebre mu na wo sa ade we mu wa me we na bo wa me we mu wa me we na bo wa me we mu wa me we na bo wa me ada nipa bi wo no ma nipa bi owi ase nso a ofiri wa abrabo mu a ete se bi a wo manage na wo ye bibi ma na ofiri wa abrabo mu a wo hia se nipa ni so bi mu da
It's true, yeah.
wo be hia ni so bi mu pa ade se wi ase foforo koba etimi de meme ken se misini akasa ensem o kan ye nyina me fa na no si bone but the me ken se etwam bu se wo de ya che no won fa nche no wa ye firi ni mu onyi firi ni mu they say baby adu we ni sai obeba betu ya titiska 1 billion 100,000 na onwotumi aka samana sumdue mo na bibi ato otwa me da se bebre
MC
Empress.
yes
Asama na me pese me kana metie ade asofo Kumchacha kana. Sofo me sre wani me kasa kaka. Na sede wo kasa de aziga kana nti ase a.
me se me ne nya adwen
Me ti ase sa.
and also do all right
Me so me ne wo nya adwen.
okay
and you to make us
Se me kasa ba. Kasa na ye kasa Shatta de obetumi edidi watema ye dede wo social media. Oh Empress me patchoma me kasa.
Mama correct.
Sana osofo kan ye. That's what he said. In patchonya sana na.
this is Shatta hunwa obetumi aye bibia
Also to me, you be online who are not that form. Maybe that's exactly what I'm saying. Na sa suban na wo kano obi di nsem hu we say man who so di nsem hu. Yeah, me ka say sa no tie na we di for them. What are we talking about? I'm surprised. Then I came. See, Empress.
Dia wan na
Me kasaba o de obetima se. Abrabo na ye bon. You were mistake. And you were deliberate, calculated mistake. And you pay. Empress. Obetina se na jimu po. And I'm not call kakam. I don't want to go deeper because as some many I want to me the boss me sure say she phone.
Go ahead, don't mention.
Obetina se abonitimu po. Or connive deliberately to attack you, your family, and other people. And you sit here and you say, San or Nipanity or Beckham, who are not better. Let me finish.
So what is your problem?
I'm not talking about the chopper. I'm talking about the fact that we will not sit in this country and entertain nonsense in this country. Let me finish. I am not.
Chopper no de buy ya na say den no de buy
also for me ma chopper
that be me be so
oh let me finish
let na what de buy no cause na me be say Emmanuel chopper no buy ya na say let
me finish and then I will you your ano let me finish Empress wonu wo ba e wo fie na wo tete wo ba na unim sa akola yi guapa yo pa no de ya be oh we sa no tie ja no akola be den what are we sitting here talking about? One person sit on social media and accuse somebody, make suggestions in a negative way, accusing somebody of something that you don't have any evidence to prove. One of the biggest problems we have in this country is defaming people. Empress, you have been a victim recently. Yeah. Arnold has been a victim. Yeah. I have been a victim. Yeah. Bo has been a victim. How do we sit here and then we say that Obi na be you no do obetumi aye bibi sa on social media who wan no about patch nonsense. It is the same guy that stood on social media and insulted President Mahama. Okowi echi okowu osofo Lawrence Tete. Eko patch. You sat on social media. You in fact, I'll go back. I won't even read the content. You wrote something accusing and suggesting this man of knowing about something he knows nothing about. You claim he told you. Why interject? I'll come to the apology bit. You accuse this man of something he knows nothing about. You didn't think about the fact of the pain that the wife and the children will go through. The bullying that the children will go through. The pain that Felix's family is going through. An unresolved case. You didn't think about that. You wrote something, and so while you did the video, calling on Kwakesi, who has not even healed from the pain, and told him to wake up, and that this gentleman, he knows something about what is going on. Kwakesi also took to social media and did a video because he was his bosom friend and manager. Yeah. He knows how much the guy has contributed in his life. Yeah. And you know, so Obi suggested say, will be a minimum doing commercial as the guy can say, who can say only a see and you see apostrophes, you should ask the catcher say we are who did it. Now when you pass about the can be about Obi. Suggest say why you be accept when say we prove be would prove ya then we sit here and say obi be yes about social media no wa patch because if you indeed you had proof and if indeed this gentleman did what you are suggesting that he did, then you are an accomplice because you sat down for years uni na nya asema nka aba beka
say o akwantum o abrochire na o pese o send sika ko momo number so e wo Ghana anase o pese o send sika Echo bank account be so ewo Ghana. Me therefore mame kan for lemfi amount. The enti ame kan for lemfi amount nyina ne say. O pay money transfer. O more exchange rate ewo soro kese pa eye lemfi. Na ni gisem crack kese ne say wo Europe. Now we your first transfer with 50 euros amount 20 euros cashback. And wo UK. Now your first £50 transfer amount £10 cashback. Or Canada, any Americans now, you have $100 first transfer, amount $20 cashback. Nemum, answer na benya cashback no. Mema rain fi say ube use Bonah BONAH as the referral code. Biemu so say wa America na ope say o shipping nyoma e free Washington DC, Maryland, any Virginia. O diane Box Oak Logistics. Omu ye door-to-door shipping company. Medofo Fre box o sesi a ofro ma wani mra won so no mu gina waboboa no o ma be box no yoma ne kama na o mo dia kɔ Ghana asumdwe mama o mo so eni gisem ba kɔ e kan ne se ofro ma ka kyerɛm se enam TheBonahShow so na o te o mo nka o mo so mprempren na o me kyɛw 10% discount ne e twatwo nie se o kɔ Ghana akodi udwuma bia na sabi udru Ghana be Kumase na udru Kumase o be pe ba bia da mo asomadwo Obepe baby a 100% security, a 100% CCTV cameras, air condition, chese. Ope baby a dam was smajoa, obe sorry with my yo aduane live to say there. Sabi uti fie papa bi ma fre Pcash Properties. And I say call www.pcashproperties.com.